I am sitting next to a hot water heater. My Ream hot water heater that last week had not been working. We hadn't had hot water for 3 days, and we hadn't washed dishes, and Stephanie was really getting tired of not taking showers. I take cold showers, so that wasn't as big a deal for me, but we wanted to fix this thing. And so ChatGPT helped me diagnose the problem. It looked at this light on here, and this is the vapor sensor, and so it looked at this light and it saw there was 3 lights and then 8 flashes, and so it said, okay, here's the part you need. I order the part. It's this plug. It comes in 2 parts here. Got these 2 prongs. And then ChatGPT says, you don't need to call a pro. I can help you replace it in 5 minutes. You'll save a couple $100. So I said, lately the new year is just beginning and I'm just trying to lean in, get out of my comfort zone, push it. Do things like this video, do things like try to fix something where maybe I would have just called somebody in the past. So I try, and I'm at this thing for hours because I'm not sure what to do. I get these print instructions. ChatGPT says, no, just follow me. I'll keep it simple. So I'm going out and I'm trying to pull these plugs out. I finally pulled these plugs out. It was taking so long because I just wasn't sure what to do. So when I disconnect the clips from these prongs on the plug, one of the wires breaks off. It's just like the rubber and bare wire. At this point, I don't totally have my head on straight. And ChatGPT says, well, you can fix this. You can just crimp the wire over this old clip that's broken, and you can put the whole thing together and you'll be fine. And so I get out some scissors and I try it. I try to strip the wire, and then of course I snip the wire off. So I got this broken wire, and I'm like, all right, it's time to call a professional. I call a whole bunch of plumbers. I finally reach one, and I tell him what happened, and he says, how old's your hot water heater? And I say, oh, I don't know, maybe about 8 years. And he goes, well, I think you might have, not sure. You may need to get a new one. You may have ruined it. And I was like, what? How could I ruin this hot water heater? All I did was snip a wire, and I tell ChatGPT, and ChatGPT says, no, this is nonsense. This guy just wants to sell you a new water heater. So anyways, I sit down to eat and I go, all right, I'm going to call my normal plumber in the morning. I have learned my lesson. This is serendipity telling me, like, sometimes there are battles where it's best to just call in a pro and save yourself, save your time. There's something called Essentialism that I just started studying, heard it on a podcast, where you basically make choices between the things that are the most important to you and the things that are best to delegate to somebody else or just not do. And I figured, okay, this is the universe telling me this. This is serendipity. I messed up, and next time I'm going to call a professional. So I'm eating dinner, and I'm flagellating myself. And then the same plumber who had been telling me to get a new hot water heater, maybe, he texts me and he says, this is the part you need to replace, to fix your thing, to replace the wires that you broke. I order the part the next day. He even told me on text, he said, if you need me to get on FaceTime with you to solve the problem, I will. So I went from like a 180 of like, this is just not for me, I shouldn't have wasted all this time and energy, to, well, maybe I am meant to do this. So I said to Stephanie, believe in me. I'm going to finish this job. She says, okay. Next day, I fix it. I get this part, I'd say within about 10 minutes, we had hot water. So what did I get from this? On the one hand, the universe told me, yes, Noah, you are capable. You can be a do-it-yourselfer sometimes. And then the universe told me this other thing, that sometimes it's just not worth it. It's just not worth the time and aggravation, even if you maybe could do it. So I got serendipity from both sides. It's a little confusing, but it's also cool too, because it just makes me mindful. There are times for either thing, and there are times where maybe neither of them are wrong.